Let's update this boring brown tray with the new Bells and Whistles Sunflower Transfer. Even though we're not painting this project today, we still need to clean it properly. Let's use Dixie Belle's White Lightning. I disperse my powder into water and clean the tray thoroughly. Rinse with water and wait till dry. Let's unpack our sunflower transfer. Inside each tube of the Bells and Whistles transfers is a small burnishing tool made from wood, along with the pages of transfer inside. You also have an instruction sheet. Inside the sunflower transfer, you're going to find 4 sheets of images. For this project, I will be cutting up the transfer to use it on each side of the tray. Using scissors, I cut out the image that I would like to use on the side of the tray. Gently unroll your transfer. Decide where you would like to place it before removing the protective backing paper. Once you're ready to apply the transfer, gently pull back the clear release sheet to separate the transfer from its protective paper. If you're working on a vertical surface, you can tape down your transfer to prevent it from moving. Working from the outside in, apply pressure to release the transfer. You can gently lift the clear release sheet to check that it has adhered completely. I wanted both sides of the transfer to look similar on either side of the tray. I cut the opposite side of the transfer and put it down on the tray exactly the same as the other side. Transfers are sensitive to pressure and release when you rub them. You can see the color change on the backing sheet while you're using the burnishing tool. Transfers can also be layered, distressed, or sealed. After you've finished putting your transfer down onto your tray, you can seal your project. I use Satin Clear Coat by Dixie Belle, along with the blue sponge, wiping on gently to make sure that all the areas where my transfer were are going to be sealed down onto the wood tray. You can also use wax to seal your transfer projects. Remember, wax goes on after your transfer is laid down. Since this transfer is very large, I rolled up the extra pieces and put them back in the tube for safekeeping. I'll have lots left over for more new projects. Transfers work on many different surfaces, including furniture, wood, glass, mirrors, and more. What a beautiful makeover using the bells and whistles sunflower transfer from Dixie Belle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for new videos.